Life's busy, right? From fixing your car to improving your health, training your pets, or even starting your own business, the to-do list just keeps growing. But what if I told you there's a tool that can make all of this easier? Meet ChatGPT, an AI assistant that's like having a mechanic, a coach, a teacher, and a business advisor rolled into one. Let's dive into how it works and how it can transform your everyday life. Let's start with car troubles. Imagine your car won't start and you have no idea what's wrong. Instead of scrolling through confusing forums, you can ask ChatGPT, "Why does my engine make a clicking sound when I try to start it?" In seconds, you'll get a detailed response, like checking the battery or starter motor. ChatGPT can even help you order the exact parts you need online by guiding you through the process. Now, what about health? While ChatGPT isn't a doctor, it's a great tool for basic health advice. Say you're dealing with a sore throat and wondering what to do. You can ask, "What are some home remedies for a sore throat?" and get practical suggestions. Or maybe you're curious about fitness. ChatGPT can create a simple workout plan tailored to your goals. Just remember, for serious issues, always consult a professional. A new puppy? ChatGPT is like your on-demand pet trainer. Let's say your dog keeps jumping on guests. You can ask, "How do I train my dog to stop jumping on people?" and get step-by-step instructions on positive reinforcement techniques. Whether it's teaching tricks, managing behavior, or even understanding animal care, ChatGPT makes pet training simple and stress-free. Ever dreamed of starting your own business but didn't know where to begin? ChatGPT can help. Ask something like, "How do I start a dog walking business?" And it will guide you through the steps, creating a business plan, setting prices, and even marketing your services. It's like having a business consultant in your pocket, minus the hefty fees. So far, we've talked about fixing cars, improving your health, training your pets, and starting a business. But ChatGPT isn't limited to these tasks. It can help you plan meals, write emails, learn new skills, and so much more. No matter what your question or challenge, ChatGPT is here to give you fast, helpful answers. And here's the best part. You don't need a big budget to use ChatGPT. For the price of a cup of coffee, you can access a tool that can save you hours of work and hundreds of dollars. Plus, there's a free version if you want to try it out first. Wondering how it all works? ChatGPT uses advanced AI trained on billions of words to generate helpful responses. When you ask a question, it analyzes your input and provides a clear, human-like answer. It's like having a super smart assistant that never sleeps. Some people worry AI might be too complicated or even intimidating. But ChatGPT is easy to use. You just type your question, hit send, and get answers. It's that simple. And remember, it's here to help, not replace you. So, why wait? Whether you need help with your car, your health, your pets, or your business, ChatGPT is ready to assist. Give it a try today and see how this one tool can transform your life. It's simple, affordable, and absolutely worth it.